Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Ocean View, New Jersey. My name's Alan. Today we're going to be taking a walk through our new 2024 218 21-foot Grady-White Adventure. This cuddy cabin is here. It is in stock. We'll go through the boat. I'll show you how we optioned it. We brought it in with a hardtop. Does have a full enclosure. Does have the optional cushions in front of the windshield, the anchor chute. Boat is white. We'll go inside and we'll take a look. As we come up to the 218, you can see it has a new style 200. Walk through transom, your engine flush. Very nice lighting. Captain seat, helm seat, your live well. Boat is ready for electronics. The cuddy cabin's very well done with a porta potty, rod storage, nice cushions. Seating in the back. Boat is here in stock. Please call us with any questions, email us. We'll be glad to show it to you. Thank you.